welcome to Maths Guru channel. How are you all? I hope you are all fine. In this video, I am going to explain 6th class Maths, Chapter 8, Data Handling. Before going to that, let me wish you all Happy Ugadi, నూతన సంవత్సర శుభాకాంక్షలు. ఓకేనండి, అంటే ఉగాది రోజు నుంచి మనకి తెలుగు వాళ్ళకి న్యూ ఇయర్ స్టార్ట్ అవుతున్నట్టు అర్థం అన్నమాట. సో ఇంగ్లీష్ వాళ్ళకైతే న్యూ ఇయర్ జనవరి 1st. సో మనకైతే ఉగాది నుంచే న్యూ ఇయర్ స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది. సో ఓకే, నౌ see here chapter 8 data handling. Actually in this video I am going to explain how to plot the bar graphs. Okay, before that just let me tell about the bar graph. What is bar graph? Okay, here see, bar graph is used to represent independent observations with frequencies. Bar graph is used to represent independent observations with frequencies. Okay, bars of uniform width, okay, are drawn horizontally or vertically with equal spacing between them. We can draw bar graph vertically or horizontally, okay, and equal spacing between them. We should give equal spacing between bars. Okay, now types of bar graphs, that only I said now before. We have two types of bar graphs. We can draw horizontal bar graph, vertical bar graph. Okay, here horizontal bar graph. How to plot horizontal bar graph? See here, actually we have in a bar graph x-axis and y-axis. Horizontal line we can call it as x-axis, vertical line we can call it as y-axis, right? Here if you take frequency or numbers, that numbers we can call as frequency. Those numbers if you write, if you take those numbers on x-axis, you will get horizontal bar graph. You will get horizontal bar graph. Numbers means what? Just let us take marks of the students. Okay, marks we can take on x-axis, name of the students on y-axis. If you take like that, that marks means that numbers we are taking on x-axis, so that you will get horizontal bar graph. One more example, suppose years of the animals. Okay, years of the animals means age of animals or age of students. Okay, so that numbers years, 5 years, 10 years, 6 years, like that numbers if you take on x-axis, we will get horizontal bar graph. Simply just generally we can say that if you take numbers, that is called frequency, on x-axis, then we will get horizontal bar graph. Those numbers if you take on y-axis, we will get vertical bar graph. We will get vertical bar graph, means that numbers here, numbers if you take on y-axis, then you will get vertical bar graph. Okay, so don't be confused. Some students they will confuse in the questions. They will ask, after giving questions they will particularly mention in the question, draw the vertical bar graph for a given data, or draw the horizontal bar graph for a given data. So some students they will get confused how to get horizontally, how to get vertically, on what we take on y-axis, x-axis, that they will get confused. So no need of confusion, just see, just a frequency if you take x-axis, what horizontal, if you take on y-axis, vertical. Just this only frequency where you are taking, that type of bar graph you can give the name. Okay, very simple. Now example, I will explain one question. Okay, once take the screenshot how it is. Just outlook of horizontal bar graph, outlook of vertical bar graph. Okay, next is Actually, every day I want to plan videos, making videos, but I'm not having time. I'm getting tired and I'm not doing properly. Just I'm taking notebook and I'm doing videos. School afterwards, tuition, and so that I'm getting very tired. That's what I'm using notebook and making videos. Some days if I have 10 minutes time, 15 minutes time before going to bed, that time I'm making 5 minutes or 8 minutes video for you. Okay, now today I have time, little bit time, just 20 minutes. So morning onwards, actually today holiday, no, morning onwards household work with that, and Ugadi specials. Uh, for that only I'm spending my time, holiday time, but evening time just little bit, 20 minutes or half an hour. I will spend compulsory for making videos only. I'm interested for making videos, especially for the sake of students. Suppose if I will explain one question, if the students they will understand means they will write properly in the exam, so that they will get good marks now. That's what. So that is the main intention, making videos. Okay, let us see exercise 8.3. Exercise 8.3. First question. See the question. The lifespan of some animals is given as follows: bear 40 years, bull 28 years, camel 50 years, dog 22 years, cat 25 years, donkey. Like that, here lifespan of animals given. Actually, lifespan means age of animals. That age of animals, numbers given 40, 20, 30 years, like that. Those numbers. We can take x-axis or y-axis. It depends on what they mentioned in the type of graph. Draw a horizontal bar graph to represent the data. Horizontal. They given horizontally now. That age of the lifespan of the animals we can take on x-axis, so that we can get the horizontal bar graph. Years means numbers, numbers means frequency. We can take on x-axis. Okay. Now just here I am taking just a small I will draw, but because I have just a small space now. This is little board, not that much big board. Y-axis. Okay. Here on x-axis we can take lifespan. Lifespan of animal. Animals. On y-axis, name of the animals. Name of animals. Okay. Now this is the origin 0. See here maximum year 70, elephant 70 years lifespan of elephant. So 70 is there, mean just I am taking 10 10. Actually in a graph sheet if you take 5 5 for a unit, it is it will looks nice graph, bar graph. Okay, just here I am not having that much space to take 5 5 difference. If you take 5, it will take still space, so I am taking only 10. If I will just 10 10 I am taking 10 20 30 40 50 60 70 80. Okay, this is the lifespan of animals. Next, name of the animals. Actually we have bear, bull, camel. Just a small I am taking. Bear, next bull, next is camel, next is dog, next is cat, next is donkey, next is goat, horse, horse, cow, last is elephant, elephant. Here paid, just a short name I wrote, 70 years elephant. So we can draw the horizontal bar graph. Here, first name of the animal, bear. Bear is there 40 years. So along with this, bear 40 here it is there now with the star mark, and with this scale, just with a scale you can draw the rectangle bar. Okay. Next, bull 28 years. Here bull is there now 28, means nearby 30, right? Before 30, just approximately you can take, but on the graph sheet you can take exactly. On the graph sheet you can take exactly, we will get compulsory, we will get exactly. Okay, this is. Next is camel 50 years. Camel is 50 years, see the 50 here. Okay, like this. So camel you can take 50 years. Next is dog 22 years. Dog is 22 years. So 20 after, just a little bit big you can take 20 after. This is 22 years. Next is cat. Cat 25 years. 20 and 30 between 25 is there no? So from here cat 25 is there. Like this we can. Okay. Next is donkey 45. 40, 50 between 45, right? So from here donkey 45. So like this you can. Donkey. Next is goat 15 years. See 10 between 10 and 20, 15 now. So exactly between 15. Goat 15 years. Okay, after goat, horse 10 years. First one horse 10 years. Lifespan of horse very little when compared to other animals, right? Next is cow 22 years. Cow is 22 years. Here it will be 22 years. Next is elephant 70 years. Last elephant, here it is there. Elephant. Elephant 70 years. Here 70 is there. So last one elephant. So from here to here, I am not having space now. That's what heading was I am drawing. So like this we can plot the graph. We can plot the graph. Okay. See here. After getting this, we can write the scale. This is horizontal bar graph. We represented given data horizontally. Okay. Now scale. After representation of graph, writing of scale is very, very important. Scale, how to write? On x-axis, what we took? Lifespan of animals, frequency. Okay? Lifespan of animals. 1 unit, what we took? 1 unit, 10 years. On 1 unit, 10 years we took, right? Next is on x-axis, sorry, on y-axis. On y-axis, what we took? Name of animals. Name of animals. We took name of animals. Okay, that's it. Scale. Some students they will get confused how to write the scale. Just what we are taking on x-axis, what we are taking on y-axis. That is only the scale. Okay, and 1 unit, how many years we are taking, how much number we are taking, that we can write. Okay, I hope you understand. how to represent the bar graph. Okay, is it clear? I hope. Okay, thank you. For more videos, subscribe my channel, support me, and share to your friends, relatives. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.